Alright, so I figured I'd do a quick just Bedliner roll-on review now that I've had it on my Bronco for 4 to 5 months now. This tailgate was Rustoleum, and this was the Herculiner. I gooned up, I put a Herculiner in this whole cab and up front. I used 2 cans, and then I realized that when I forgot that I hadn't put the tailgate on, I went to go grab it from the back of the area where I painted it, and I realized there was nothing on this side. So I just kind of ordered something on Amazon, a can, and I thought it was Herculiner. It turned out to be Rustoleum. I wasn't paying attention. So now I can do a little comparison, so it's kind of interesting. I definitely like the Herculiner better, in short. I mean, look at that. Look, if you can kind of tell, I'm not gonna get close up here. Look at how just thick it is, and how, you know, it's come up really strong. I mean, it's two coats, and it is really just, you know, impressive. This is 3 coats of the Rustoleum. It's a lot thinner, a lot, you know, more like a thin sand. It's kind of come off in a couple areas, so honestly I will redo it with Herculiner later. Rustoleum's cheaper, but the Herculiner is the way to go, honestly. I'm not affiliated with either one. I paid for both of them. And honestly, I didn't even apply the Herculiner the way they recommended. I just took a brush and gooped it all over the place and then let it dry. Then I did a second coat, and I am super happy with it. I will use it on my other Bronco I'm building and in the bed of my truck when I actually do that one myself. So yeah, Herculiner versus Rustoleum 4-month review.